Hello, what of Forex traders? Hello, what of Forex traders? This is a wonderful year, a precious year, and a blessed year. And if you've not subscribed to this channel, you better do, because this year is going to be a back-to-back. If you're a subscriber to this channel, Happy New Year and God bless you. You know what vibes is in this channel. We don't come here to play, we come here to break down the market to a layman understanding. So this year is going to be a banger to banger. If you've not subscribed to this channel, you better hit the subscribe button and hit the like button. Drop your comment and say you're ready for the year, you're ready to back it up for the year. Well, a fresh start. I'm going to give you for all the whole crisis that has been happening in the United States. We're going to start with the order flow. This year, I'm going to be breaking down all the whole currency pair to the last, so that everyone, no matter how currency you're trading, you're going to have a better clue on the market and have a better understanding on what you're going on your buyers. So this full month, I'm going to be breaking down all the whole US pairs, so that you're going to know what is going to be happening on the market. So if you're not a subscriber, I'm talking to you personally. If you're not a subscriber, you really need to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and drop your comments so you're ready for the year, bro. So we're going to ride this together this year. So it's going to be a blessed year. And now we're going to go with US index, US dollar, the US dollar, because we've been having a lot of things happening in the United States for the past few months. The United States has been pulling weight from Africa to United States, from this to that. So we've been having a strong crash on United States pairs, and you know what that means when we're having crash on pairs. So other pairs will be going very good, and you really need to know the buyer. So if you're not a subscriber yet, subscribe. But if you're a subscriber, you know how the dials roll. This year is going to be back to back. We're going to make a lot of money out of the market, and we're going to be rich out of this market, because this year is going to be a huge lot of potential. This 2026. So let's roll down to the chart, so that I'm going to break down DXY for you to a layman understanding, so that you can understand what has been happening in the United States for the past few months. So sit down on your feet, sit down and watch this 5-minute video, so you understand what is going on the United States currency right now. Hello, what up, Forex traders? Welcome to my screen, and here we're going to be breaking down the US dollar index. This is the 6 months time frame. So rather, we'll be starting from the yearly time frame. So let's start from the 6 months time frame, because 6 months time frame is going to give us a very cool, clear chart. So let me check if the mic is recording. Okay, everything is recording. I hope you're in your seat and with your journal. So today we are breaking down DXY. DXY has been having this strong bearish indication, showing that DXY is having some bearish momentum from 6 months. So when we go to the 3 months time frame, let's go to the 3 month time frame. At the 3 months time frame, we've seen some structures showing that we are having some break of structures to the downside. As you can see, we're having some break of structures to the downside, because we are potentially making higher highs from this angle, but at the time we make higher lows, lower highs, and higher another lower low here. So I'm anticipating more sell to the downside, at least to the demand zone of this first bullish trend. So now we've already seen that this bullish trend here has stopped, and we are having some retest to the downside, maybe to the demand zone, or maybe to sweep the sell side liquidity, and I'll call with the demand zone here before we can be seeing some spike to the upside. So now let's roll down to the monthly time frame, because you know this is a fresh month. If you're on my channel, you already know what I always do. Every fresh month, I'll come and break down the whole chart to understand and see a very better, clear view where we are actually heading to. So at the monthly time frame, we've seen that this pairs has been consolidating. We're not having some buyers and some sellers, but in the smaller time frame, because you know this is the monthly time frame, this is a very big candle here. It has a lot of candles inside it that has already printed when you go to the lower time frame. So now we've seen this consolidation here at the bigger picture, but let's still check out. You see that when I show you that structure, that we made these lower lows here, and we made this lower high, we made another lower lows, and we made another lower high. This has already given us this structures that we are coming lower, because you can see this huge bearish monthly candle that has been falling on the US pair. It is indicating a very strong bias to strong end to the downside. So when you come to this place that this thing broke these structures, let's go to the weekly time frame, because when I come to the weekly time frame, I found out that after this breakout structures here at the weekly time frame, it was respected. It was respected very, very nice. It was actually respected very okay. So after we retested at this neckline that broke from these higher highs here, we broke this neckline here. After this neckline broke, we see this retest. Remember what I always tell you, I think it's after any breakout, after any consolidation, there will be a breakout. After any breakout, there will be a retest. So when we've seen the breakout at this point here, and we see the retest, we actually know that DXY is actually going to the downside. And you know, Donald Trump has actually been pulling weight for some months now since he stepped in. It has been actually pulling weight, so we will be seeing some corrections and some moves to the downside. So DXY has actually tested this neckline that was broken to the lower lows. Actually tested it, and we saw this sweep of structures. After this was new, this was last year, all this was new, the choppy range when all the whole election and stuff jargon was going on. So after this pull out, we saw the sweep of liquidity coming to the downside. Actually, we've seen that DXY is actually coming to the downside. Let's go to the daily time frame, because we've seen the bigger picture. I've shown you from the 6 months time frame that all we'll be anticipating is what we call downside liquidity. This is a daily time frame. Any chart pattern you see on this daily time frame is here to stay. Honestly, any chart pattern you see from the bigger picture, they are actually here to stay. They are not there for place, because it takes a lot of days, a lot of time, a lot of hours, and a lot of manipulation before any chart pattern prints from the daily time frame. So now we've seen that this daily time frame is actually indicating that we are going for some sells to the downside. And now we've seen this double bottom that printed here. If you really don't know what is double bottom, this is what we call double bottom. This here is what we call double bottom. I hope you can see it. This is double bottom. This double bottom has been indicated here that DXY is actually going more lower from this demand zone, from this support point, this resistance point here, because this was a strong resistance point. When you go to the 6 months time frame, I guess you saw this resistance point. It has been resisting for a couple of months, who knows, years. So this resistance point gives us this double bottom at this point here, we indicating that DXY is actually going to the lower side. So now, where can we be going from the lower side at this point? Only where we saw that we are going from the lower point from this side was this after this double bottom occurred here. We were anticipating the neckline to get broken, and now you can see that the neckline got very heavily broken at this point. You can see that the neckline has been broken at this point. So what is this indicating now? This is indicating a very strong breakout. This is the neckline here is the neckline, because actually if we wanted to be going higher highs from here, we would have respected this fair value candle here and be making some highs, maybe 101, 102. But we came to this psychological number, $100. We bounced out from there and we broke this neckline that was holding to the downside. And after this neckline has been broken, after this neckline was broken here, after this neckline was broken, you can see very clearly that this neckline was actually broken from this point here. So after this neckline was broken, what are we going to be anticipating? We're going to be anticipating a very strong tap to this neckline, at least this neckline here, and we should see another breakout from DXY from this neckline here. Maybe if you're a forex trader, you can go and do your own more research, but we'll be having some breakout from this neckline after we see some retest at this neckline, we should see some manipulation and some rejection from this neckline, because you can see this is a daily time frame. The daily time frame has actually printed this strong double bottom for us. So what are we going to be anticipating? Some sells to the downside, and you can see at this neckline here, after this neckline got broken, you can see that we have a strong fair value candle here. When we come to this fair value candle, if you're a forex trader, you can go and also make your own research and know your own entry point, but this is giving me a very strong bias that we are coming to the downside, because you can see this liquidity here scoring at this fair value candle here, and you can see that it was a very strong point that got broken from the daily time frame. So guys, this is my analysis on euro, on DXY. So I'll be breaking down other charts on other currency pairs in the next videos, and this is going to be a very strong breakdown in the whole currency pair, so that we all will know what we're doing this year. We should not just trade by, don't trade hard, trade smart. So if you don't have a community where you always see some other traders talking about trading or having a private community, they are very difficult to get now. So I will give you a free 1 month trial throughout this year. This is going to be my bonus to all of you, and you'll be hearing it to all of my videos. Click the link on the bio. You will see a community there. Join us, and you can see other traders on the community, and you can be having chat and conversation with them. This is me. Peace out, guys. I am done with my breakdown on DXY. So don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to the channel, so that you can get a very full breakdown of this 2026 currency chart breakdown. I'm going to be breaking down all the whole currency and all the whole chart from the 6 months time frame to the daily time frame. We're not going to be going lesser than that. We're going to be doing a very higher time frame analysis, so that we can be seeing a very clearer view of the chart, not playing around the chart, but seeing a very clearer view of the chart. So this is going to be a very strong move. It's going to take weeks before we get to our TP target, but I guess if we should get this risk to reward, it's a very better thing. At least it worth the waiting and it worth the analysis. So peace out, guys. I will see you in my next video when I break down the euro USD and all the whole currency, US currency pairs. I love you, and I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, because I will see you in a very sharper way and in a very sharper and smarter update for other currency pairs. I love you, and see you in my next video.